Today I will teach you how to use the Century app. First you will write in Chrome app.century.tech/login. After that you will go there. If you have an account in Office 365, you will click that one. After clicking this one, okay, I'm going to use another. I will delete this account and I'm going to enter here new account. Now after entering account, we will enter the password. We enter password, we will wait for a while. We will go through it. It will be take some time. Okay, we click here, look good, or that one cancel, it's okay. Yes. Now we enter on Century app. After that, first of all, we click here. Is using for you want to change the my profile for sign out, you will click here. Now we click here again. There are different courses, right? Teacher give you any assignment in maths, you will go through it. This one first, my path. There are different exercise you can attempt. Different color box. This one using for the Century, using for the English language. This one for maths and this one for science. You can apply that one. If you will off, it will be off from there. You can apply from here. This one different happy face, and this one which you like, you will click on it. Okay, now I am going to attempt exercise. Let's see. First one, we click here. Different subjects, especially English, math, science. Click here. This one assignment due date, if you are completed or not. This one your dashboard, right? You can see your progress here. Different courses which is showing you your progress. This one overview, and this one courses. this one achievement, all achievement will be show here. How many nuggets you solve or study in 2021, different courses you attempt. Let's see this one first, grammar, this one. Let's we go for the other, for the science, and also it will be showing you the strength and area for the improvement to you. Stretch with this one, focus on to the improvement, this one, right? Let's see the other, math arithmetic. This is easy software for using. You can see strength, improvement in this one. Okay, let's see the other tables. Like it's 9 complete, 98%. You can see here tracker and strength, area for improvement, strength with, and also focus on to improve this one, right? 6 table and 12 table. If I click here for reading, or this one, 11 nuggets, 82%, strength, area, and also focus on this one. Okay, let's see how we will attempt exercise, for example in class 5 or 6 or that one, right? Go for this one, maths, any exercise. Teacher give you any number, for example this one, you will write here, for example you will write here PM. Teacher will give you this nuggets number. When you write this on PM 1.12, it will be here. Now you will attempt from there. Okay, first you will read the things, right? After reading that one, you will move forward. It is using for 6 table, right? 6, 6 2s are 12, just like that. There's a multiply of 6. Now the question will be arrive here, which fact is not true about multiples of f? Any which you will click on it, and then after that submit the answer, right? If any click, I will click them, this one. Okay, now you will show the answer, right? Well done. It's not true. Okay, let's see for the other. Right now this one, okay, how much will we come here? Let's see. Okay, well done, this is the correct. Just like that it will showing you the answer, right? Okay, now you go for the video explanation. You can you will listen carefully instruction. After that we'll go further, right? You will attempt the all.
Counting in multiples of 6. In this nugget, the learning objective is to count in multiples of 6. First, we'll count objects in groups of 6. Then, we'll look at how we can use number lines and a hundreds.
We'll close this one. Okay, nuggets. Okay, this is enough for you. This is using for sign out, right? This is using for sign out from here. You click here, it will be sign out.